Hello everyone, today I am going to explain squaring tricks. So among them, first method is squaring numbers that end in 5. So first example is 35 whole square. So what we have to do is 3 next number 4. That means 3 4s are, you have to find 3 4s are 12. Next second number square, 5 square. 5 square means 25. So the answer is 1225. See the next example, 45 square. 4 next number 5. That means 4 5s we have to write. 4 5s are 20. Next what we have to do, square of second number. 5 square means 25. So the answer is 2025. See the next example, 95 square. 95 square means 9 next number 10. So 9 tens are 90. Second number square, 5 square means 25. So the answer is 9025. See the next example, 115 whole square. So 11 next number is 12. So 11 12s is 132. So first part answer is 132. Next second number square, 5 square means 25. So 115 whole square answer is 13,225. In this way we can do square of any number that is ending with 5. Now see the second method, squaring of numbers that are nearer to 50. So see first example in this method, 54 whole square. First what we have to do is square of the first digit, that is 5 square, add the second number 4. So this is the first part answer. Next square of the second digit, 4 square. So let us see the answer now. 5 square means 25 plus 4. 4 square means 16. So 25 plus 4, 29. Second part answer is 16. So 54 square answer is 2916. Let us see another example, 53 whole square. So first digit square, 5 square. Add the second number 3. So this is the first part answer. Second number square now, 3 square. So 5 square means 25 plus 3. 3 square means 9. So our answer 25 plus 3, 28. So 2 digit number here, 2 numbers are required. So place a 0 and write down the 9. So 53 whole square answer is 2809. See next example, 48 square. So 48 is nearer to 50. How can we write 48? That is 50 minus 2. So how we have to solve this means, first write down 5 square. Next subtract this value. So this is the first part answer. Now square of this second value, 2 square. So 5 square means 25 minus 2. 2 square means 4. So our answer is 25 minus 2, 23. Second part answer 0, 4. So 48 whole square means 2304. Let us see the next example, 46 square. This is also nearer to 50. So how can we write 46? That is 50 minus 4. So first part what we are taking? This value square, 5 square. This deficient value 4. This is the first part. Second part is square of this deficient value, 4 square. Now write down 5 square means 25 minus 4. This is first part. 4 square means 16. So solve this, 25 minus 4, that is 21. Second part is 16. So 46 square means answer 2116. See the third method, general squaring. D of n means duplex of a number, that is n square. So see the example, duplex of 5, that means 5 square. 5 square value is 25. See now duplex of 2 digits. How to solve? So twice the product of the given digits. So let us see the example here, duplex of 26. So what we have to do? Twice the product of the given digits, 2 into 6. So 2 6 are 12. So 2 12s are 24. Duplex of 26 is 24. See now duplex of 3 digits. What is the rule? Twice the product of the outer digits plus square of the middle digit. So see the example, duplex of 3 digit number 137. So what we have to do first? Twice the product of outer digits. What are the outer digits in here? 1 and 7. So twice, that is multiplied by 2. So 2 into 1 into 7. Then what we have to do? Square of the middle digit, 3 square we have to write now. So 1 into 7, 7. 2 7s are plus 3 square means 9. 2 7s are 14 plus 9. So our answer is 23. That is duplex of 137, answer is 23. Now by using this concept of 1 digit, 2 digit and 3 digit duplex of number, we are going to solve sums in the third method. Let us see them now. See the example, 34 square. So this squaring can be done into 3 parts. So that is duplex of first digit, next duplex of the 2 digits and duplex of the last digit. Duplex of 3 means 3 square, that's value is 9. Duplex of 34, that means twice product of these two numbers. 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. Next third part, duplex of 4, that is 4 square, value is 16. In each part only one digit is placed and the next number is forwarded, carry forwarded. So see now, 6, carry 1, 4, carry 2, 9. So 9 plus 2, 11, 4 plus 1, 5 and the last digit 6. So 34 square answer is 1156. See now 56 square. So what we have to do? First duplex of the first digit, next duplex of the 2 digits, next duplex of the last digit. So duplex of 5 means 5 square. So its value 25. Now second part, duplex of 56, that is twice the product of two numbers. 6 5s are 30, 32s are 60. That is second part answer. Now duplex of 6, that means 6 square. 6 square means 36. Now in each place only one digit is allowed. Next number is carry forwarded. So write on the answer, 6, carry 3, 0, carry 6, 25. So see the answer, 25 plus 6, 31, 0 plus 3, 3, last digit 6. So 56 whole square answer is 3136. See now 3 digit number square, 123 whole square, how to find. So here we are splitting the number into 2 parts. So first part is 12 and second part is 3. So duplex of 12. Next we have to find duplex of 123. Next duplex of 3. Duplex of 12 means 12 square. Duplex of 123, that means we split the number into 2 parts. That's why 12 into 3. Twice the product of 2 numbers. Next duplex of 3. That means 3 square. So let us write the answer. See now duplex of 12, that is 12 square means 144. Next duplex of 123, that means 2 into product of these two values. So 12 3s are 36, 36 2s are 72. And last part, duplex of 3, that is 3 square. 3 square means 9. In each part only one digit is allowed, remaining are carry forwarded. So last digit 9. So here 2 carry 7 and write on this 144. See now 14. 4 plus 7 means how much? That is 11. 1, carry 1. Write down the last two digits, 29. So 14 plus 1, 15. 1, 2, 9. So our answer is 123 whole square means 15,129. See now next example 412 square. Here we split the number into two parts, 4 separately and 12 separately. So now what we have to do? Duplex of these values. So duplex of 4, second duplex of 4 and 12. Next last number duplex of 12. So duplex of 4 means 4 is square. Duplex of 4 and 12 means twice the product of these two values. So 2 into 4 into 12. Next duplex of 12 means 12 square. See now duplex of 4, that is 4 square means 16. Next duplex of 412, that is twice the value of 4 multiplied 12. So 12 4s are 48, 48 2s are 96. And last one duplex of 12, that is 12 square means 144. So our answer is 44, carry 1. So 96 plus 1, 97, and write down these two values. So our answer is 1,69,744. See now fourth method. So first example is 13 square. So here base is 10. For 10, what is the excess value here? 3. So this 3 we have to add and subtract. So 13 plus 3, what is the value? 16. 13 minus 3, that means value 10. Now product of these two, 16 into 10, 160 plus square of this value, square of this 3. So 3 square means how much? 9. So the answer is 160 plus 9 means 169. Therefore 13 square answer is 169. See the next example 41 square. So for 41, what is the excess value here? 1. Add that 1. 41 plus 1, answer is 42. And subtract this 1 from 41. 41 minus 1, answer is 40. Now multiply those two values. So 42 can be written as 40 plus 2. So 40 40s are 1600. 42s are 80. So the value is 1680 plus square of this 1. 1 square means 1. So the answer is 1681. So how we solve this sum? By following the rule. A square, that is our question, 13 square. How we solved it? So B value. So that excess value A plus B, 13 plus 3 into 13 minus 3 plus square of the second one, B square. So by following this rule, we have solved these sums. See now, 18 square. So base 10, how much excess value is there? 8. So for 18, add 8 and subtract 8. 18 plus 8 is 26. 18 minus 8 is 10. Product of these two values, 26 tens are 260 plus this 8 square value. 8 square means how much? 64. Add both of them. We get the answer 324. See now next example 27 whole square. For 20, what is excess value here? 7. So add 7 and subtract 7. 27 plus 7, that is 34. 27 minus 7, that is 20. Now product of these two values. 34 into 20, that is 680 plus 7 square means 49. So add these both values, 680 plus 49, 729 is the answer. See now fifth method, squaring of numbers using crisscross system. So first example is 23 square. So how we have to solve this? So first This means vertically multiply these two numbers. 3 into 3, 9. Next, cross. 2 into 3, 6. 2 into 3, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. So 2, carry 1. Next, straight we have to multiply. 2 2s are 4. Now add them. 4 plus 1, 5. And write down the remaining digits. So 23 square answer is 529. Let us see 12 square how to do. First what we have to do? Vertically we have to multiply by following this. 2 square. 2 into 2, 4. Next crossly we have to multiply. 1 2s are 2. 1 2s are 2. 2 plus 2 answer is 4. Now straight we have to multiply. 1 into 1, 1. So 12 square answer is 144. See now 19 square, that is 19 into 19. First what we have to do? Multiply vertically. 9 into 9. 9 9s are 81. 1 carry 8. Next cross multiplication. 1 9s are 9. 9 1s are 9. 9 plus 9, 18. So write down 8 carry 1. Next multiply vertically. 1 1s are 1. Now add those values. 1 plus 1, 2. 8 plus 8, 16. 6. Carry 1. Write down the last digit 1. Now add them. Final answer 2 plus 1, 3. And last 2 digits 61. So 19 square answer is 361. See the next example, 32 square, that means 32 into 32. First what we have to do? Vertically multiply last two values. 2 into 2, 4. Now cross multiplication. 3 2s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 6, 12. So 2 carry 1. Last multiply vertically. 3 into 3, 9. Now add the 9 plus 1, 10. Last two digits write down as it is. So 32 square answer is 1024. See now the last method, formula method. So we all learnt in childhood a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square formula, a square plus 2ab plus b square. By using this formula we are going to solve the square now. So our example is 1009 whole square. First we have to split the number into two numbers. That is 1000 plus 9. So 1000 will be A and 9 will be B. So apply this for the given formula. So first one is A square, that means 1000 square. 1000 square plus 2 into A means 1000. B means 9. Next B square means 9 square. Now after solving and adding all this we get the result. So 1000 square means 10 lakhs. Plus 9 into 1000, 9000. 9000 2s are 18,000. Plus 9 square means 81. Now add all those values, that is 10 lakhs, 18,000, 81. This is the answer. See next example, 511 square. Here we split the number 511 as 500 plus 11. So here 500 will be A and 11 will be B. So A square means 500 square plus 2 into A means 500, B means 11. Next B square means 11 square. So 500 square means 2,50,000 plus 2 into 500, 1000. 1000 11s are 11,000 plus 11 square means 121. Now we must add all these values. 2,50,000 plus 11,000, that is 2,61,121 is the answer. See now next sum. 98 square. 98 square means how can you write 98? That is nearer to 100. So we can write this in this way. 100 minus 2. That means 98 whole square. So it is looking like a minus b whole square. So now we apply a minus b whole square formula. That is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here 100 will be a and 2 will be b. So a square means 100 square minus 2 into a means 100, b means 2 plus b square means 2 square. So 100 square means answer 10,000 minus 2 2s are 4, 4 into 100, 400 plus 2 square means 4. Now 10,000 minus 400, that is 9,600 plus 4. So our answer is 9,604.
If you like this video, please like, share to your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.